Oh, hello. You still watching? Just doing the other side like I said I would. World's fastest bumper car update. Shall we see if it worked? So, in terms of the C-frame or sub-chassis or second chassis in true Lotus 88 style, I think we are good to go with whatever steering setup we end up with. Plenty of clearance. I did make some further adjustments to the other side too, so we might need to move our rectifier regulator. Regardless, keep calm, carry on. What's next? I believe we are ready for the Schnell welder. Actually, probably not. Probably need to clean some of that paint off. First up, time to drill these out. Because this is going to mount under there and weld up to that. Like so. And we're going to need a little plate on the back of this just to sit it a little bit proud so that the old rubber booties don't foul and scuff on the mounting plate. Good job we got extra long bolts. There, that's the general idea. Just like that. And one shortened shaft. One semi-complete steering apparatus. Well, that's all very well. I thought you said he was going to be doing some welding. Well, hang in there. All cleaned up and depaintified for Mr. Schnell. Well done. So yeah, we're just clamping down that right-hand engine mount, ready for its first little bit of welding.
You know, the speed of the wire and then the amperage, you know, going to it. So those are your two adjustments. So
cool.
You gotta, with each piece of steel, you got to figure out what works, what doesn't burn through it and melt it, and you got to experiment a little bit. I think these were my last settings. Watch your eyes.
Yeah. Nice. We are spotted up and ready to go.
Some of my best welding yet.
Nice. This crazy fool's worried about it, what it looks like. Final inspection from Theory Bear. Engine mounts are fully welded. Steering rack is spotted. Those are re-welded. We have a brace. And he's even left me his welding equipment to play with. Could be dangerous. So, more progress. next time around we'll be doing more stuff. Yeah. So if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. If you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.